Yo, what up? It's the Cosmic here, coming at you with a little bit of a video following up on Xspa and its reverse split and what it means to me, what my plan is going through, because I did hold through the reverse split. Um, I am testing this, just seeing if this works. Yes, I am down, but that is the whole plan I have set for me going into these plays. I know I chased them a little bit, so I had to adjust my plan to make sure I have room to lose or build my position. Um, so with Xball, I did have 300 some odd shares, and the reverse split enacted, so my average went from uh, 57 to 770. So with that being said, it did spike in the morning right after, up to 849. I tried to get out of my position just so I could have some more liquidity. Um, and there's no luck. It's just because it was restructuring. Um, but with that being said, I still have positive thoughts on what Xspa is doing. Um, One, they're trying to stay in compliance. They're on their, like, I believe, sixth day going over $1. No, even more. So they should be regaining compliance, honestly, if not already, pretty soon. Um, and whenever they do the reverse split, so it already popped up on investors' radars whenever it spiked. But what they're doing is trying to get it popped up back on their radars, trying to keep um their shares in play. And also what the reverse split did was distributed more money across less shares. So there are less shares in play now. So the volatility is going to kind of be fluctuating once it's after it kind of evens out after this restructuring. That's what my thoughts are. Um, Sometimes it's a good news that a stock does a reverse split. Sometimes it's bad news. We don't know, and this is how come I'm playing it out to test it to see what happens, especially as um, more contracts that they're gaining are starting to be announced. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm still holding strong. Um, Once Mark or Gene US pop off, which Gene US, I'll make a video on that later. Um, then I'm probably going to go ahead and liquidate my positions so I can see if I can build my position a little bit more. Because ideally, I want 200 shares if it's going to be sitting at this price. So we'll see. Um, yeah, but if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments, and y'all have a good one. Peace.